to today's video, and in today's video, Emery is going to be moving the forehand and the hindquarters in a review session. So we want to move the forehand. So remember, I want you to have your right hand up. Left hand is going to reach over to the saddle and grab the stirrup. So you're going to have to be positioned where you can comfortably grab that stirrup too and be able to hold it, because that's how you're going to apply the pressure. So your right hand now is going to hold your rein right here. Give it enough slack so it's pretty much in the middle of your horse's neck. Now you're going to stand in the middle of your horse's neck as well. So there you go. Remember, your toes need to be pointing the direction you want to go and not towards the horse. Now, you're going to tell him to go by looking down and starting to walk forward. And you're also going to apply button number 1. So you're going to apply kind of like right in there, try just a little bit of bump and release. So everything has to be as light as possible, all right? So, ready, and move the forequarters. And you're going to watch for the crossover in the front. So there was across, across, and across, and whoa, stand up straight and chin up. There you go. Good job. What you do on one side, you do on the other. So I want you to point your toes around and walk around him. There you go. Now, be careful when you're walking around him. Remember, your toes need to be facing the middle of his neck. Good. The hand that's closest to his head is going to be loose and right. There you go, up. So it's indirect rein pressure. And your hand is going to push button number 1 with your saddle if you need it. Okay, so look down and walk forward, apply pressure to button number 1. And look for the crossover, look for the crossover, cross, cross, cross. Now stand up straight. And good job. Excellent. Now you're going to move the hindquarters. Hindquarters is button number 3. So your toes are going to point towards his flank. Remember? The back of the blanket, basically. Your toes are going to get up there. You have to walk up there. Just say woo, 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 easy. All right, now let's move the hindquarters. Toes pointed the direction you want to go. Remember, the hindquarters are going to move around the forequarters. So this time, the back legs are going to cross. You're going to tip his head towards you, and you're going to apply pressure with button number 3 with stirrup, okay? So tip his head towards you, and tap, tap. Now look down and cross. Come on, tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. There's cross, cross, cross. Now stand up straight and release. Good job. What you do on one side, you do on the other. So walk over to the other side, switch hands. There you go. All right. Point your toes towards his flank. Walk in a circle and cross, 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 cross. And stand up straight and whoa. Give him some love. He was a good boy. So thank you very much for joining Emery and I on today's lesson. And if you enjoyed the video, please give us a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And remember, to see more, check out our playlists.